I usually I gravitate towards dishes with meat. Like I always like protein in a lot of my dishes. But this casserole that we made, it's a Fiesta Casserole, and it's actually meatless. And I have to tell you, I didn't miss the meat, and I really thought I was going to. So take a look and see. I think you might not miss the meat either. Okay. Hello everyone, it's another Tasty Tuesday. I am joined by Stephanie Deberry. She is a registered dietitian, and we have another awesome, quick, back-to-school kind of weeknight meal, right?
Yes, ma'am. Today we will be making Fiesta Casserole.
Fiesta Casserole.
It's really, really good, and what I love about this is it's so much fun for the kids to get cooking in the kitchen.
And you have a lot of ingredients in a big bowl. I like it.
You ready to get started?
Let's get started.
Okay, so first of all, I already went ahead and made our brown rice, full of fiber, and it's a whole grain. We love that.
Love whole grains.
We also have black beans, great protein, adds to our meatless meal.
Oh yeah, it's meatless. We forgot to mention, because a lot of times we were saying people write off meatless meals as not being filling.
They're not very, people perceive them to be not very filling. They need meat, something like that, but I'm here to tell you, you don't always need meat.
This has got all the goods. Corn.
That's right. We've got corn. We also have no salt added, crushed diced tomatoes.
No salt added. I feel like that's key, right? And those canned tomatoes.
Always a good idea. And I'm going to add about half of this cheese because we want to top it with some as well. So we're going to leave a little bit there.
All the cheese.
That's right.
I don't think you can ever have too much cheese.
I happen to be a large fan of cheese.
Me too. Never met a cheese I didn't like.
Okay. We have chili powder.
Okay.
Chili powder and cumin. And then we're also going to add one of my favorites, fresh cilantro.
Fresh cilantro.
So,
can't beat it.
All you got to do, the best thing about this is just lots of mixing. And once you get it nice and mixed up.
So colorful.
Yeah, beautiful.
The kids love it.
So tasty. And nice little casserole in a dish. And so all you have to do after that is you'll put it in a baking dish and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes.
What, do we have any sauce? We forgot our sauce. I was like, I see sauce in there.
Just kidding. I have our enchilada sauce.
Enchilada sauce. Okay, so that kind of makes it a little bit more filling.
It'll make it nice and juicy, so when it comes out of the oven, it'll be nice and bubbly.
Okay, I'm going to mix our and then I want you to pour me some of this immediately because I think I need to try it.
All right, you ready to try?
So we have our TV magic already made.
Okay.
That's what I'm going to try. As we're mixing in this big bowl. I am super excited. So how long would you cook that for?
About 15 to 20 minutes is how long you'll cook it. And the great thing is you can just warm it up really quick and it's ready. It really only takes about 5 minutes in the kitchen. Then you can go do whatever else you need to do on the weeknight.
So you leave it in there? Okay, I'm trying it. Do we have a utensil? Stephanie's going to grab me. I know you would all love for me to just kind of pour it in, but I think we'll stick with the fork for now.
There you go.
Thank you, Miss Stephanie. And here we go. Little meatless casserole for us. Oh my gosh. I don't miss the meat at all.
Nope. It's very filling, very tasty.
I really thought I would, but I don't. It tastes has the exact same flavors.
It almost is like a taco without the tortilla.
I like that. You're saving yourself some carbs there too.
Yes, ma'am.
Another quick, easy, fun, really fun meatless meal for the kiddos on a Tasty Tuesday.
That looked amazing.
And it's so, think about it, what we did. We threw all the ingredients into a bowl, we mixed it, and we put it in the oven.
Yeah,
and
for 15 minutes.
Right, and you have this giant casserole that was super filling, super healthy, and could last you all week, too, if you froze that or anything. So I would suggest trying the Fiesta Casserole for sure, and how you can do that is head online. We'll have the recipe up there, okcfox.com, our website, and then also you can head to the Oklahoma Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics website, oknutrition.org. They post all of our segments there as well, and then for any more information on any of their registered dietitians.
Great stuff.
Thanks, Shel.
You're welcome.